Treat yourself to a test drive in the 2016 Dodge Dart. This four-door, five-passenger sedan still has fewer than 60,000 miles. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. Dodge prioritized fit and finish as evidenced by front and rear reading lights, a tachometer, a built-in garage door transmitter, a trip computer, remote keyless entry, and power windows. Dodge also prioritized safety and security with features such as traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Comprehensive safety includes row curtain airbags and stability control. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing Dodge's rigorous certification process. Our knowledgeable sales staff is available to answer any questions that you might have. We are here to help you.